I will introduce my channel. Is it going live?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hello.
Hi. This, you've got Samuel's channel. I'm his friend who has a channel with Bleachy Boy, who shares a channel with Bleachy Kid. Yeah.
I'm his brother. Sister. Hi.
And yeah, guys, guess what night it is?
It's Bonfire night.
Bonfire night.
So we're gonna have
Yeah.
big fire.
A really big one.
It's gonna burn down to it.
A really, really big one.
Okay.
And then we're gonna have a really big one.
Yeah, some dank trick shots.
Because they have celebrate.
Yeah, we're just waiting for some more people to come. And then we'll start the fire. I'll record that for you guys. Stop doing that, Scott. And then I'll record the bonfire night. So see you guys in a bit.
Hello guys, today we are doing a bonfire night. So you can see fire there and then two people over there, if you can see them. So yeah, we're just about to get video for YouTube, yeah. With my friend Luca, Scott, Samuel, Jody, Josh, where are they? This is your boy, Bleachy Boy. Fire! Look to your left, they are lighting. We're setting. I'm ready!
This one of our rockets? No, I think it's just simple.
Guys, you ready? They're going. Up, up, up,
Harry,
up,
draw
up,
me a
up, up. March it!
Harry, do me and hold it.
Bye, guys. Hello, guys, again. Now light another one.
Harry, do me and hold the camera.
Another one, please. Yes, Captain.
Right, guys, I'll end the video here because I'm just gonna watch it and then I'll record it later. Alright, we got the barrel, two of them. Ha ha ha. Let's record this. I need to record this. Oh, I'm shaking. It's freezing. Let's go! And it's going! I'm sorry if the recording's a bit like that, because I'm shaking. Wow! Look at that, look at that. Look at it.
They last a long time. What?
I'm very cold. Look at my legs. They're beautiful. Yeah. Hey.
What are you doing here, man? Do you like it?
I don't like noise.
La la.
I'm recording.
Well, you can't listen to it. Listen to it. Take them off.
No. I can hear it. Oh my god. Get it so big. Why? Did I set fire? Is that it? No. They're still going. My god, why does it take so long? So long. I'm actually ready to go. My hand's so nice. Oh, no, stop.